Hello everybody, today we make pesto alla genovese and I want to show my basil what it look like. It got leaves like a big Romanian lettuce. Look at my basil, it's so beautiful. I got a pepper and I got a tomato and rucola. Now we start to pick up the basil. Okay, now you see the basil, it got big leaves on the top, but see you bend a little bit, it got smaller leaves. Because these little leaves, you grow and you do like this, the snap, you look, snap. Okay, I want to pick up my beautiful basil. After we go inside, I want to show everybody to make the pesto. Okay, now it's time to take all the leaves out of the basil and I gotta put on this pot that I gotta wash. Now this basil I no spray not. And I start taking the leaves out. Look how beautiful this basil. And I want to make it with my beautiful gnocchi. So somebody want to see my recipe, the homemade gnocchi, you click over here and you see my recipe. When you make the gnocchi yourself, it's really more good. Now another thing, when you make the pesto, make sure that this basil got to be really washed good. And I want to wash 2 or 3 times after I got to dry all the leaves. The leaves got to be dry. No wet, after it's no good. Okay, now this it's done. I got all the leaves done. And now it's time to put this. I want to put on a blend. But you know, when you use the blend, you can do it by knife. But I got a brand new blend. I was by yesterday. I'm so happy. I got a nice gift yesterday. I buy by myself. This is my brand new blend. It's so beautiful, brand new. It come out just enough for the factory. Really good. Okay, now let's start my basil. Okay, you see, I put this over here, and now we start with the leaves. And you spread the leaves all the way around. Okay. All right. And I got my oil baby. My oil baby, I put together over here for the pesto. But see, you don't like too much hot, it's okay, no put. Use a little black pepper, see you like. But I like my oil baby hot pepper, and we put it right over here. And the pesto, I like a lot of garlic. And look how beautiful it looks, a nice shine. It's from my garden, it's so beautiful. And we put over here. Now, the start, we gotta put a little oil. Now this, it's cold press oil. You see, I make a mistake all the time. I say gold. And we put a little oil. And now, with this brand new machine, let's see what I can do. Okay, all right. Now, let's go. Okay, now let's open up and let's see so everything is good. I don't want to mess up. You see, you got the leaves. Make sure the leaves that go, hey, baby, you got to go inside over there. I got to chop you. I got to eat you. All right, let's take it out. And we put it right on this dish over here. Make sure the scrape really good. Got this. It gotta be really good with my gnocchi. We put a little bit more oil over here. The wash. And you do like this. And you make sure to take all the base out. Over here and over here. Okay. Look how beautiful. Really nice. Now, we need a little salt. Now, my fresh pesto, it's done, and now we cook the gnocchi for the 5 minutes, no longer. Okay, my gnocchi is done. Let's turn off, and I want strain like this. Look how beautiful this gnocchi. Boy, nice, really good. And we put right over here in this dish. I think I got enough for me, for one person. That's it. Now, let's go on the table over here. Now the gnocchi is done. And now it's time of my pesto. Okay. Look at this, how beautiful. Look at the color. My oye baby. And now it's time me to go eat. Look at this. Okay, now let me finish my dish. I need little pinoli. Pinoli in Italy I call it pignoli. A little pecorino cheese on the top. And now I want to go enjoy this taste outside in my garden. I gotta talk to my basil. I gotta say, you did a good job. Okay, now let me enjoy my gnocchi con pesto. I gnocchi. Now, let me go here. Thank you, my basil. You did a good job. Okay, you did a good job. See, I make a mistake and I cut this with a fingernail. And like this, I want to say thank you, basil. Fresh basil. Really good. Everybody. Really good gnocchi with my pesto alla genovese. Thank you very much. Really good.